I'm telling you, no one's gonna be able. No one sees anything on this chart. You got a bunch of lines.
Yeah, yo, but no, listen, it's very clearly right here. This is a descending
It's
triangle.
not. It's not. No, it's not.
This was the descending triangle. We broke out bullishly. We fell back down, retested it, and then we got above this key zone, bro. This is it,
You
man.
must be out of. You're gonna embarrass us. Just run it. Run. Put the intro.
Yo, this okay. Look, folks. No, we're leaving this in. All right, look. Listen. I was. You can look back at the previous videos we were making. Look, I was making videos saying that we broke out bullshit from this descending triangle, from this wedge, whatever way you draw this. There's a clear trend line here that was acting as resistance. We fell back down. We retested it. We got above. Look, man. Put it simply, I think we're gonna fucking test $43.
There we go, man. Look, we're gonna start a fundraiser for you for sure to get you a cookie, a really big cookie, just to make sure you are, we're fair to you.
Well, it's
And
well deserved. I deserve that cookie.
100%. So overall, no, actually, I think you're right. You know, we know exactly where the sells have been coming in. Obviously, we have this very important zone at $31, $32. And overall, you know, buyers have been coming in a bit more aggressive. So we're having a bit of, within this macro, whatever Brendan has here,
Shake.
we have some important, yeah. We have some important levels that we need to keep an eye out for. We saw the $23. We have the $32, and we kind of got stuck between. As soon as we actually broke above it, went up again, broke above this range over here, went back down to retest it. Now we're way above. So now there's almost no battle that would happen because, you know, everything got shaken off. The sellers got shaken off. We passed through those major areas on the VPVR, which are telling us, you know, that a lot of trading activity, a huge battle between the buyers and the sellers. Right now, we're almost at literally open territory. So definitely something to keep in mind here.
Yeah, we're in price discovery. Like this is pumping. And folks, ultimately, like, subscribe, comment, share, hit that bell icon notified. I'm Neil. What are you doing in crypto? Not watching our videos? I mean, there's countless videos where we called the breakout, we called the exact price targets, we called
I heard it's a
the
crime.
exact support and resistance. You're right. Very good point. It's actually a crime, a financial crime, to not stay tuned to the channel. We just got an email from YouTube. I mean, it's not us, folks. It's YouTube. So I mean,
We're going to lose so many subscribers for this. Anyways,
yeah, no, look, ultimately, I do think we're probably going to go to $43 in the short term here. Again, ascending triangle, move to the breakout point. That's $43. We have the 786 Fibonacci extension lining up perfectly. We have confluence of reasons to think that this is probably where our next impulse could take us here. So
I agree, and I think that something that's just something to keep in mind that to be mindful of in general. See, if we have this level over here at the $36, we're obviously we zoom in right now just to kind of see a bit more of what's going on. Overall, we have this, right? Sorry, I'm moving this too much. Obviously, we're seeing a lot of long wicks to the upside. So it's telling us that the sellers have been rejecting the price action. They've been rejecting any movement above the $37. Right now, we just broke above it. But the most important thing we need to make sure is that 10-hour candle actually does maintain that. And we maintain the close above these levels we have over here. So by the end of the day, we need to make sure that the daily candle as well closes above this range over here, above the $37 for us to assume that buyers are fully in. We shook off a majority of the sellers, and just like you said, we're in price discovery. So basically, sky's the limit. So that's something we need to keep in mind. So this analysis is valid if the daily candle actually closes above the $37.
that's actually a very good point. I'm very glad you brought that up because look, we could theoretically immediately just push back down, and this would just be a long wick to the upside, which would in fact be pretty bearish because that would mean we tried to break out bullishly and we got rejected. So you're quite right. We want, if you want to be more conservative, play this even safer. We want that confirmation. We want a daily candle fully closing above these areas. If we got that, that would make it a lot more likely that we could see that bullish continuation.
100%.
Yeah, so those are pretty much all my thoughts. I don't know if you have any final
No,
words here.
that's pretty much for pretty much it for me. If you like the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe. If you'd like to support us on Patreon, check out the link in the description below. It would definitely help out with the channel a lot. And let us know what you think in the comment section below, whether you agree or disagree with our shilling, or constant shilling of this coin right now. So
Constant shilling. Oh yeah.
constant. Yes, sir.
Yeah, look, and just to kind of wrap up here, like regardless of whether we pull back here or not, I'm very bullish on Chainlink long term. And just to kind of, I know we're trying to wrap up here, but just very, very briefly, I just want to mention Bitcoin dominance here. We have fallen below a key level from back in August, back in July. That was the previous alt season. Chainlink led that alt season, and the fact that we're now below these regions and Chainlink is now breaking out bullishly in price discovery, folks, I think this is the beginning of a new mini alt season.
Here we go.
Yeah, so just know there's 30% corrections with the market as a whole are commonplace, and we're probably going to get that at some point here. So expect that at some point in the next few months, probably going to get some like 30% correction with the market. But for now, things look very bullish.
You heard it, folks.